Beautiful.
I knew I had a feeling.
All aboard, folks. All aboard. Piggy pennies. All aboard. This is the first time I've ever made a video on this.
Yeah, I don't think we have one on our channel.
Well, that's cool. So let's do it. Let's turn up that volume here, and we'll do one
Somebody
more.
just hit the Maxi for 7,000 over here.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
That one, he hit it multiple times.
I don't even know what to hit here.
3 of those in the center reels is the bonus.
And how many trains you need?
6.
6 trains and 3 tokens?
Yep.
You need 3 of these?
Yep.
Scattered anywhere?
No, in the middle 3 reels.
Oh. What a piggy's wild.
Yeah.
Get them trains.
Oh. Look at him dance. Did you see it?
Reminds me of Nikki. Banks or nothing. Gotta go all aboard.
Oh, that's good.
Nice.
69 bucks.
Good job. Let's get a bonus here. A little pig action. Oh, stop, move.
Look at what you just hit.
Oh, 2 all of that? Wow.
100 a spin.
That's $10,000. People bet a lot here. Well, he'll probably definitely get the major then, if he hit that already.
No, you never know.
Yeah, but when you
gonna drop. Okay. They're excited. Oh, get it. Yes,
Oh,
you
yeah.
got it.
Okay. What's that?
You get 5 bonus games.
Okay. I'll take it.
Press the spin button. You want a train in the middle.
Yeah.
And then you get the actual train bonus.
That's still good. I got those guys. Those guys look like they have a lot of money.
He looks rich.
Yeah. That was $288?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You want those wild. That piggy in the middle.
Oinky oinky, let's do it. How many spins we got left?
1.
Jesus.
422.
Awesome. I love this game. Let's do it.
Yeah, yeah. Now you love this game.
Oh, train, folks.
Go to the 25 cent. Let's see what the. Oh, it's $6.25.
Bonus is pretty sporty.
Well, it can be. I don't worry, it gives you nothing, too.
Oinky oinky.
He ended up with 12,000.
Everybody's winning tens of thousands of dollars, folks.
Yeah, but they're also betting hundreds at a
Yeah.
time. What's the dollar? What's the minimum bet
I
on
feel
dollar?
a couple more in this. Maybe not.
Oh.
What's the what?
The dollar denom, what's the minimum bet on? Do it.
Check it real quick. 10?
$10.
Try it up.
Do it.
Do it.
Oh my gosh. I don't know, I have a feeling about this one. I don't know why.
That would have been beautiful.
Yes, got it.
Beautiful.
I knew I had a feeling.
All aboard, folks. All aboard.
How are you feeling?
I feel like I want to go on a train. Oh, we got 2 minutes. Is that good?
Yeah, those are 120 each, but you have to get a train to get them.
And then it doubles, right?
You just keep collecting them.
You know what I'm more excited about, folks? Is that 14. Just 2 Pete Roses. That's my #1 favorite fucking. Excuse my language. I didn't mean to say that. I never cuss. I said freaking, so that's good. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
We need a train?
Got it.
So it doubles up? What's that mean now?
You just keep going, babe. You just keep collecting it. You've won 290, then you get that again.
Yeah, I'm doing it now. I like it. God, this is addictive.
You only get 2 more spins. Yes, nice. You only got 1 train.
Yeah,
at
I
a
know
time.
that. Yeah. Jesus. I like this. We have 1 more spin. Oh, it
Yes, it
oh,
re-
I
yeah.
got you. Let it marinate. This is sketchy.
Go. 1 more spin.
You want to do
1
it?
more spin and you get another like $300.
You wanna do it?
No, you do it.
I gotta wait.
Okay.
Boom, boom. Okay, folks.
Get it, go.
Oh, that's so good.
That was great.
You felt it.
Yeah, I did on the dollar.
That was amazing. It's my favorite game. No, I'm serious. I love it. The train blows up. I love it.
All right.
Look at those coins.
Okay, here. You want to get a picture by the...
Yeah. But believe it.
Hold on, I'll pause. All right, we're back.
We're really good.
Yeah.
We had that last 100.
Yeah, but we were down to 200 for today's visit. We turned it into 2240. It's amazing. All right, we'll give it a couple backups and then we'll get out of that $1.
I wanted more. I want another one.
Yeah, of course you do.
How many feelings? Maybe I'll switch the arms.
Yeah.
$16.
Do it, do it.
Oh, gotta be beautiful. It'd be nice if you get like a maxi or a mega.
Yeah,
with the
and
train.
it keeps going. Yeah, that's what happened to that guy right there. All right, you want to try another denom now?
No, not right now.
Oh, you want to stay here?
No, I just for a sec. I'll do 2 more. I swear I thought that was it. Okay, let's do
Go back to 25 cents? Yeah.
All aboard. Please.
Do it. Yes. Got it.
All aboard.
Good job. Good job.
See what we get, folks. Go Maxie's.
Got it.
That's okay. I wish you gave us less so we get trains.
Well, it spins around a new one each time, so you could have the possibility.
Oh, it does?
Of getting it. Yeah, look, it'll spin around a
yeah.
number.
Oh, that's cool.
See?
Oh, okay.
Nice.
All aboard. God, this game's trigger. I need that's something real.
Uh-oh.
Oh God, I'm gonna let it wait.
Uh-oh.
No, this is your triggers in the fireball music. It's a train.
Come on, get one, get one. Oh.
It's still good.
Yeah, it's good. All right, let me put this back down.
That was
Good
unreal.
job.
Let's do a few more of these.
Now you love this game.
It's fun. I didn't know it was this much fun. I never really played the game. I mean, this game.
Ooh.
This will trigger you. $10.
Everybody's streaming today.
It's that one guy.
That's
He's
awesome.
he's getting everything. Good for him. Good for him.
Oh, baby's betting really big.
No, I'm happy. I love seeing that. $18.
You want to try a different Dino?
Yeah,
Are you
let's do
feeling
a few
this one?
more. No, I wanted to do $1.
Oh, you almost had it. I don't know. This one's spitting out some teasers.
Yeah, maybe we'll go $1. Oh. What do you want to do?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Well, we'll do $1 and we might get out. Okay. 10, right?
Yep. Oh.
Should have been a line.
Do it.
Do it.
Oh.
What do you want to do? Let's go 1900?
Okay.
10 spins. 10 magical little spins.
Oh my gosh.
That would have been awesome.
Man, what an awesome session. I still feel like it's got it in it, but...
$75.
Wow. Do it. I actually really want to run this. Oh, I thought I called it into existence.
Yeah. There it is.
Do it. Do it. Oh. Jeez. do? Go to 1800?
Yeah, that's it. And then we
okay.
go. Yeah.
You will have won $100, I think. What did we start? No, 1500. We started with 1500.
That's still good.
Sucked you in.
I mean, this machine could drain you, though. I mean,
Oh my gosh.
I can see the potential
Yeah,
of
of
draining.
course.
Yeah. We got a little lucky.
Yeah. All right.
How you doing? Good to see you. Okay, we're doing great. We won 300, so I'm happy. And it was entertainment, so that was fun. I love y'all. We're going to jump to another machine. Let's make some cash.